Hi, I'm going to be doing some orange since I'm wearing these pretty orange flowers. I figured I'd do like an orange sunset on my eye. Again, these are not too complicated of looks that I do. It's just kind of what I usually play around with when I wear makeup. So I'm going to show you how I would do it. I'm going to be using my two Morphe palettes, the 350M, which is a matte neutral shade ones. It's got some oranges and some really pretty colors, and then my Boss Mood by Morphe. And then I'll be using Color Correctors by NYX, and I'm doing my eyebrows with eyeshadow and some brushes, and I'll give you a list of everything I use at the end. But let's get started. Alright, so I've clipped back my hair, and I'm going to just do a little bit of color correction, and then go from there. I'm going to use a little bit of loose powder to catch some fallouts. I'm going to start with my 350M palette, and we're just going to lay down some base colors. And I'm just using a soft skin tone up here. Using one of the Morphe Jaclyn Hill ones. It's got some golds and oranges, and I'm just going to take Agent and a fluffy brush, and I'm going to do it from across my eyelid and up into my crease. Now I'm going to go in from my Boss Mood palette and do Fired Up. And this one I'm going to do on my outer half of my lid and up into my crease. Use a flat shadow brush and use Access. And do that on my inner lid. And with Fired Up, a little deeper. Now with my eye shape, I need a little contouring because I got the droop there, so I am going to go in with Smooth Criminal and a flat blender and deepen my crease just to get a little more definition for me. And then now I'm going to take a touch of Prowl and do the same thing. Get rid of this loose powder so I can finish up my eyeshadow underneath. And do Prowl on my waterline. And then I'm going to go in with Fired Up. Now I'm going to use the same little brush and go in and do some highlighting. Throw in a little bit of Guilt Trip. Actually, I'm going to grab some coin and mix coin and Guilt Trip and put that right here. And then a little bit of VIP right here. And a touch right there. And then I'm going to take Guilt Trip. Alrighty. Now I'll need some brows, lips, and lashes, and some liner. And there you have it, a sunset eye to go with my orange flowers. I'll talk to you guys next week.